Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie and today I'm doing an unboxing of a ThredUp DIY designer box. Super excited about that. I love doing the designer. It's one of my favorites. But before I get to that, just a couple of short things. The first one is I am in a collaboration July 26th and it's all day long, it goes all day long. So have a look. My video is already up. It's going to be a premiere, so I will be there chatting in the. I'll be chatting with everyone, and it's going to be a fun time. I can't wait. It's a fun box unboxing, by the way, organized by Misty at Skeeter Jones. So that's the first thing. The second thing is I just had to share with you that you probably know that I love making things and refurbishing. Kind of like upcycling things, and one of the things I like to do is use AI to create images, and I created this tiger image using AI, and then I had them professionally printed on iron-on material. It's hard to get a whole look at it, but that's the tiger. And then I use my images and then some patches and things that I buy to make jackets, and I made this jacket for my niece. I have one like it myself. So this is AI image. That's a patch. These are just pins that I got. And then this is a vintage Art Deco pin. And these are just some other things I got on there. So that is her. That's my niece. I made that for my niece. And then my niece has a little baby girl, and I made one for her too. But it's not really the military theme, but it's kind of similar. So wait till you see it. It's so fun. This is the little baby's one. Oh, I love. So this, the butterfly is one of my AI iron-ons that I created, and then this cute little sheepy is on the arm. This arm has not a tiger, but it has a cute little lion patch. So there's what it looks like. I had so much fun making those. I have one actually myself too that I wear. I think I've had it on here before. Mine's on camo print, so I love it. I love it. I hope that my niece and her little baby girl like their jackets. They're kind of matching jackets. So, all right. So guess what? The DIY designer box is big. It's a big one. So I don't know. That usually means something good. I hope there's a big person here. I don't know. Who knows what's going to be in it? But this one it's a little weathered, but it's not crushed, and the bottom even stayed intact. We got lucky. We got lucky this time. So, all right, we're going to open this bad boy and see what I got. By the way, while I'm opening this, I got a Louis Vuitton box. I ordered one. They became available on ThredUp, the rescues page, and I was able to get, I'm not going to lie, I got two of them. I am so excited. I think for the one, I'm in a collaboration, but you know, they only come up very, very seldom. I don't think I've seen one in more than a year. And then maybe they were up in between that and I just didn't see them. But anyway, all right, here we go. Here is the first look. Oh, I see some good stuff. I see some good stuff in there. All right, yay. What are we going to start with? Let's start with these. These shoes. Let's see. The leather is beyond belief. The leather is really gorgeous. Huh. Mansur Gavriel. I've heard that name before. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. They're size 37. And Mansur Gavriel, the leather could not be more soft and gorgeous. I don't see anything wrong with these though. They're in great condition. I don't want to say great. I mean, like, they do have a little bit of like bending right there. But they're great. Mansur Gavriel, or however you say it, they're peach colored. There's a little bit of wear to the toes. By the way, everything in this video will be for sale. Shipping is $8 for as many items as you care to buy. If you want better pictures of something or you want to see, I'm happy to do that. Just send me a note to mystepstyle@gmail.com and let me know. And I do always put a running list of the things that are sold in the comments of the video. So, all right, that is Mansur Gavriel. Look at those, size 37, which is about a 6.5 or 7. You can see the name, I think, if you look there. The inside is pretty clean, really. So, all right, I don't know. I've never sold that brand, but this thing means that they were authenticated, so yay for that. All right, what is next? Let's go to this. Oh, it's authenticated too. Ooh, it's a Marne dress. Oh my gosh. Marne sells great. Jeepers, that's, oh wow, that's so cool. It's been authenticated. It is absolutely adorable, and it's a little dress with a dropped waist, it looks like. I'll hang it up and get a picture of it. That is absolutely stunning. But what size is it? That's the question. I think we might have to look in the inside tag. I don't, offhand, do not see anything wrong with this dress. However, you know, that's always a good idea to put it on the mannequin and see for sure. Yeah, I don't know the size, so I'm going to have to find the size. But it's a cotton, it feels like cotton. Oh, this is the front of the dress. It's a V-neck. Just adorable. Doesn't seem like there's much wear at all to this thing. So there's the skirt part. All right, I will, and then it's elastic here. I will put it on the mannequin, see if there's anything wrong with it, and then I have to pause for just a second. Okay, I'm back. I actually realized I didn't have my lights turned on, so the light was not on. All right, we've got the shoes, the Marne dress, and then we've got, these Prada heels. Ooh, look at these. They match my eyeglass colors. These are beautiful suede shoes, Prada. They're in excellent condition, except, okay, there they are. Look up close. Look at the inside, how nice that is. They're in great condition. Wow. That is some light wear, like the heels they're not scraped. They just have, like, you can kind of see, just when you mark, if you hit suede up against something, it kind of gets that little indent in it. These are in great condition, except for the heel tip. We need heel tips on these. So I can have that added. That is not a problem. They're a size 38.5. Why do they have to be my size? Why? But these are gorgeous. I'm not convinced I'm not going to keep those. They're great. Really nice shoes. And you know what? I think I saw, yeah, they also come with, is this? Yeah, that's the bag. They come with the dust bag too. So I will either be selling them as is here, or else sometime in the future when I have spare time, which is not very often, but I'll get them resold then. All right. Happy so far. All right, what is this? We have got, ooh, all right. A Prada white shirt. Wow. That's, it's like a, oh, it's cool. Look at those sleeves. The sleeves have like this pucker, I don't know what you call this. They remind me of barrel jeans. But, and then the buttons over on the side. Size 40. I'll show you the tag here. And this green tag, yep, it's been authenticated. And look how it buttons over on the side. It's really neat. I suspect that there's a stain on it somewhere because you know how white is. But I don't see one offhand. Oh, there's a button missing. Is that why? I can't imagine they'd have it in here for that reason. I don't see anything wrong with this shirt, but again, I'll look it over because things become much clearer when you put it on the mannequin or you hang it up or whatever. So, all right. What is next? Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, okay. ACME Acne is a Swedish designer. It's designer brand Acne, and then it is a dress in its size. I don't know what size, but it's really pretty. It's a cool design. Look at that. It's kind of like an animal print look. I don't know, and it's got like this. Oh, that's really cool. That is gorgeous. I think that's a pretty small dress. I don't know. It says Acne LNYG23. That doesn't tell me the size. Boy, we got a sizing problem here today. I might have to just look it up or give you the waist measurements. Here we go. Maybe it says on this tag. Oh, it's a size 36, which I believe is about a size 4. So, I don't know. I'll have to look up Acne. I'm not sure if that's a size 4 or not, but I'll look it up. It doesn't seem like there's anything wrong with it. The tag's a little dirty. The tag itself has a little marks on it, but the dress seems good. I don't know. Again, I don't sell Acne it's a weird name to have for a designer one. Anyway, that's okay. All right. We're doing good. I am loving this box. I'm loving this box. I'm so happy with it. Okay. Self-portrait. Ooh, that's a good brand. I got a self-portrait shirt. Let's see. It's inside out. So let's outside it in here. Okay, self-portrait. And it's a size, US size 8. What a great size. Look at that self-portrait tag. And it is a cute, cute, cute shirt. Look at this shirt. Oh! Oh, that is really cute. Wow, powder blue, zips in the back. Oh, that is just adorable. I wonder if, okay, the sleeve has a tiny little, well, I wonder if that's why it's in here. Because, you know, this material is pretty delicate. There's a little mark on the sleeve right there. I don't know. What about the other sleeve? I thought maybe because this mesh material is kind of delicate, but I don't see anything wrong with it. I don't know. It is absolutely beautiful. It is so cool. What a cool shirt. All right. And one more. Didn't get any bags in here, but we did get another pair of Prada shoes. Woohoo! Love it. Oh my gosh. Look at these. Ah! Look at these shoes. Oh, they're so, wow. And then we got a dust bag for these too. Ah! Let's see, Prada dust bag. Oh my gosh. Okay, so these are, I believe they're a dark, dark blue and they're suede. Is that blue or black? I think it's, let's see. I think it's a really deep blue. And they've got these rhinestones on there. What size are these? 39. Why do they have, I'm going to try them on. 30, it depends. The style depends on whether I can wear them or not. These are so gorgeous. They're missing at least one of these rivets, but it's down here, so it wouldn't be that noticeable. So there's one. It's got a silver leather covered heel. Oh my gosh. That is so, so cool. Those are gorgeous. Okay, look at the other one. And I like the fact that ThredUp is authenticating. There's another rivet missing right there. I like the fact that they are authenticating and leaving the tag on so that we know. I don't see anything else wrong with these shoes outside the fact that there's a couple rivets missing. Let's see, 2. I believe there's 2 rivets missing, both from the inside toes. So, okay, show you again. Size 39, which is about an 8.5, 8.5, maybe even a 9. I love this box. All right, we've got the Prada dark blue shoes with, oh my gosh, with rivets. They're adorable. We've got the beautiful self-portrait powder blue shirt. Oh my gosh, so gorgeous. Got these, what are they? Mansur Gavriel. Gosh, those are nice. Size 37, right? Yep. Where is it? 37 and a half. Nope, it's 37. Okay, 37. We've got the Acne Dress. Don't know the size yet, but I'll have it on the screen for you. We've got the Prada white shirt. Love it. Absolutely love it. Oh my gosh. And then we've got the Marne Dress. All right, and then we have got these beautiful eggplant purple Prada suede shoes. Oh my gosh. All right. Well, yay for that. Thank you so much for watching. If you are interested in buying any of these, it's mystepstyle@gmail.com. $8 shipping for all you care to buy. And don't forget to stay tuned for the July 26th collaboration coming up and for upcoming Louis Vuitton boxes. I can't hardly stand to wait. All right. Have a wonderful day and thanks for watching.